Hey, if you want to get iPhone settings style on your Redmi Note 15, you can easily get this for free by going to the personalization. Now, you will have to go into the themes store and go to the home, select themes at the top, go to the go for the search and input Super 26. Click on the search, and this is the way that we can get this. So we have to just click apply, install this theme. But also you can get this one. I'm gonna quickly show you step by step. So we have to just download this, wait until it will be downloaded, just a few seconds. There we go, and click apply. Now wait for the applying process and let's see how that looks. There we go. We are going for the settings, and as you can see, we can find the different style. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching.